Hi, I'm Adam Zawadzki from Toyota. That's not the first time that I'm attending this event, Manufacturing Awards, and every time I'm amazed by the variety of topics and variety of industries that the attendees are coming from. Usually we talk about, or we have a possibility to talk about various bothering topics and different point of views that are coming from different attendees. This time, for example, we're going to talk about Industry 4.0, the main business challenges, the approaches that the various manufacturers are trying to take, and also we're going to share best practices. The event is interesting as well because we are going to recognize the effort of CAE manufacturers, and we're going to present the awards to them. So I think that this event is a very good place not only for sharing knowledge, for getting something for your own company, but also to get great social contacts that can benefit personally and also your companies. So, good.